Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel Rohit Tech. In this video I'm gonna show you a crazy app which will actually save your vehicle from challan. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the app name is Radar Bot, which is available in Play Store. The link is also given in the description. You can go and check it out. To install this, and after installing you can see this type of interface here. You need to read all those and click on accept, and also you need to click on agree and continue. And after that you need to select your country and give all the permissions which this app actually needed. So after waiting, you can see this type of interface here. It will actually show your location, and left side you can see your speedometer, and this GPS relocates your location, and you can see this type of interface here. If you move, this will show, and on this button you can actually set your alert of speed cam, police, traffic, accidents and all. If you click on something and click on send alert, this will actually send you the alert of when you goes near there, and when you go near the speed cameras or any police, this will actually send you an alert that you have police ahead. This is how actually the app works. When you actually go near the speed camera, this will send an alert like this: speed camera and the road name and your speed and the speed limit of that road, and this will actually send you an alert and show you there is a speed camera save you from challan. And if you click on the roads, you can see this speed cameras and the speed limit also here. So if you are going for a long drives and all, you are aware of a challans, and by this app you can actually save your challans. By zooming out, you can see how many speed cameras are there, how many traffic lights are there, how many police are there here, and clicking on them, this will actually show you the speed limit and where is the speed camera exactly. So you no need to do anything. You need to open your Google Maps and locate your location, and run your Google Maps on background and open this app. You will actually see the speed cameras alert also. So this is how the app works. Like if you go near this app, this will send an alert like this. So by this you can actually have an alert and you can decrease your speed limit, and you will be saved from your challan. So that's it for today's video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.